So what's the learning curve on flying these things? Pretty quick, or is it easy to fly?
That's awesome.
They said yes, I don't know.
Have you tried?
No, I'm on break. You don't touch it?
That's how it's
How long have you guys had that one?
Huh?
How long have you guys had that one?
What was that?
How long have you guys had that micro?
Well, actually, I don't know. Someone bought it, but it's from the company. We don't make this one.
Oh, you don't make that one?
Yeah, we just bought it from someone else.
That's cool.
Do you sell it?
No. It's just for demo. Because we got like the biggest one. Yeah, still, it's like a small demo about our quadcopters.
What do the hexes cost?
Huh?
What is the hex?
$650 the whole kit, but all that you see in here.
Okay.
Motors, ESCs.
And is it open
Autopilot.
source? Can I?
Yeah, it's an open source code. So we got a community online.
Okay.
There's people making projects about balloons, airplanes, quadcopters, cars, everything related with autonomous vehicles.
Okay. So if one of these quadcopters, one of the rotors fails, can you still fly it on three?
No, it's pretty hard. So you can take it to like
land it maybe.
yeah. You know, you're gonna try to balance it. I mean, it's gonna be easier because there's more motors, so you got more room to play with.
Okay. Have you ever tried?
Yeah, actually, one time we were making flips on this one. We were like 100 feet in the air making flips, and one of the motors died. So we were like trying to go just left, and balance it. So we landed.